Me and the family. There's everybody. Dom, hi, Nicole. Dom Kylan is digging some type of a escape hole or something. Anyway, we have not got nothing to sit on, guys. I was saying to the family that I was going to actually buy a mat type of situation at the shops. Everyone told me no, and now we're stuck at the beach sitting on our butts in sand. It is what it is. Anyway, Dom, show my fit, please.
Can I do the sound? Okay, so today, starting from the top. Wait, no, it looks cute. Alright, fine. So from the top, we have this caramel coloured headband. Very
you can
cute,
see my face.
Very cute. She's got, where's the headband from, do you know?
I can't remember.
Okay, and then glasses, she's had these forever show sides. Oh, it came on. Alright, fine.
Yeah,
Right.
it does that. Just keep filming.
And then we've got this caramel coloured knitted top, very cute. Leggings.
Covered in
Very cute. And then here, no foot picture.
not my foot.
So yeah, that's pretty much it.
Thank you. Right, so there's Dominique's outfit. She's got the sunglasses, the cropped jacket, the t-shirt, mum jeans, I think they are, and yeah. And then there's Kai. His fit is I'm the boss cap with a grey jumper to match, and his ripped jeans. And then we have Nicole. She's got her sunglasses with her jacket, plain t-shirt, and like me, her black leggings. And I think we're all rocking Nike today. No, oh, Kylan's rocking Adidas. Anyway, so I will catch you guys later. We've been here before, by the way. Put it this way, that's all she can remember. I've been to Margate probably about 7-8 times in my lifetime. I think the girls has been maybe 2 or 3 times in their lifetime, but for my Kylan, it's the first time that he's come to Margate. He's gone to other beaches, but he's never come to Margate before. He's come on other trips in other places like Southend and so on, but this is the first time he's at Margate Beach, so that's good. Yeah, so we have Dreamland over there, and but anyway, I am going to love you and leave you for now, and I will, let me show you the beach again. You see it? Right, I'm gonna love you and leave you guys. I will catch you in a little while. Okay, my hair is all over the place, so yeah, it's a bit of a situation right now. It's a bit windy, guys. Let me put my jacket down. I'm fed up of holding that. It's a bit of a situation, but yeah, we are here today. We're spending the whole day here, just having fun really. And that's it. Love you, leave you, and I will see you lot in a mo. I will see you lot when we go to Dreamland. Hopefully we go to Dreamland. I will see you lot when we go to Dreamland, or possibly when we're having something to eat later, or I will see you soon. Okay, bye. Hi guys, so we are now in Dreamland. Let me just show you. Say hi everyone. Hi. Oh, wow. Dreamland. I haven't been in here, like I said earlier, for years. It's a very small little fun fair, I would say. Oh, you have to pay as you go. Anyway, let's walk around first. Okay, well, I'm gonna walk around. Right, so while they're waiting to get tickets, let me show you the lay of the land, guys. So, we have this right here.
One way around the track, please. Your feet on the pedal and go away.
Oh, there's a stage right here. There's a stage here, guys. Alright, I have to say, this place has completely changed since I was a child. I'm just walking around while them lot gets their bands. I don't think I'm gonna bother get a wristband for the sheer fact that there's literally barely any rides anymore. Now that I'm looking at it, I decided to go ahead and just have a quick look anyway, just to see what there is. Let me show you some more. Excuse me, is that ride shut? Oh, it is, yeah? Okay. Alright, thank you. Right, now that I've had a lay of the land, guys, I feel like it's time to report back to the kids, because to me, there is not enough to warrant a band that costs you how much. Most of the good rides are not open, and besides that, all you have is the small children's rides. So I do feel that they will have regrets on buying wristbands. I can see them, and I'm really hoping that they've not bought a wristband. Oh, in the meantime, here's a seagull. I hope you lot didn't. Oh, that's why I was walking around. It's not worth it.
I want to see.
There's not. Go and see.
I know, but that's what I want.
All the big rides are shut.
I know, that's what I want to see.
All the big rides. Go over there. Go where I came from.
I'm gonna
Follow them, okay? Go and see for you lot self. Right, so they're gonna see. They look a little bit disappointed. Oh, but I do like this sign over here. It says Dreamland. It used to be Ben Bon Brothers, and to be honest, Ben Bon Brothers was way better. I'm not impressed. As the years has gone on, obviously this has changed, and there's very little for you to do here. Alright, so I'm gonna go and join the rest now, and I will catch you guys soon. Okay, let me stand in front of here first. I'm going to join the rest of them. And I'm going to say peace. See you later, guys. Hi guys, now we are having something to eat right now. Let me show you, we all got pretty much the same thing. So we have milkshake, we have banana milkshake and fish and chips. You cannot come to the seaside, especially in the UK, and not get fish and chips. Vlogception is happening. Nicole is also vlogging over there. But let me just show you everyone and what they're eating. Kylan's very happy about it.
Yeah, I'm complaining a lot when we went to, get our do our Instagram pictures. Oh, by the way, I have my Instagram name for you to follow me. It is Dominic_XCVI.
Okay, so that's my daughter, and that's her Instagram. Mine, by the way, is Charlene Isaac. Very simple, very plain. What's your Instagram?
Nicole Isaac, 2 L's for Nicole, 2 A's for Isaac.
Hers is very plain like mine. And of course Kylan's, I feel Kylan's a little bit too young for Instagram, so he doesn't yet have one. But yeah, we're going to eat. And as Gay Baby TV says, num, num, num. It's going down. Hi guys, so it's the end of the day. We are tired.
Can you stop leaning back, Dom?
There's Dom and Nicole. Say hi to the vlog. Can't see you, Dom. Anyway, we're heading back home now. We had a nice time. It's been a long day. We've done a lot of eating and a lot of walking. We're pooped. We bought some souvenirs. We bought some gifts as well. And yeah, so that's it. That's our day. Thanks for spending it with us. Oh, and by the way, look, I don't know if you can see that, but now it's started to rain. We got back to the coach just like 2 minutes ago, and literally just as we sat down, it started to rain. Anyway, I love you and leave you, people. Stay safe, be safe. Peace. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.